Hello guys and welcome back. This week we've managed to get our hands on these Majority Studio One over-the-ear headphones. Very snazzy. Majority are a brand that produce a limited, but may I say, a unique looking range of affordable audio equipment. These Studio Ones that arrived to us only yesterday, they are just one of a few headphone reviews that we are currently working on. So to stay tuned to all future content, please feel free to subscribe to our channel just now. I'd very much appreciate it. What you should expect within the package is a very simple user guide. Now for different language user manuals, they are available in digital form only, I'm afraid, because you know what? Majority is a brand that likes to be paper free as possible. And as they state, they are making commitments to plant a tree with every purchase that is made. Yeah, that's great for the planet. No,
it's not.
Yeah, it is. Talking about. Now we do get a large pull cord carry bag, so you can place the headphones inside and keep them protected. Lovely. And the Majority Studio One headphones themselves, which, whoa! It has a real lengthy 3-meter extendable coiled 3.5mm audio cable with an included 6.5mm gold adapter that would be suitable to use with different types of audio equipment. The Studio Ones, they do have a foldable design. They are mostly made of ABS plastic, with the exception of those cool to touch steel side discs. Yep, they are very handsome, with the Majority logos that are branded upon them, as well as that chrome edge detail. Ooh, shiny. Those huge 50mm cans, they do indeed swivel, so these would be good, for example, to enable DJ audio monitoring. They do have a nice spring back motion, and you know what, they really are quite flexible. They will fit any size head. Now those drivers, they are extendable upon that headband, although I would be gentle extending them out. The inner sides of those arms are indeed numbered, so we get a numbered size guide included on the inner side. You know what, that's what I really like, the attention to detail. Speaking about detail though, there is also that Majority logo that's also printed on the PU leather padded headband. And you know what really stands out? Is the real thick over-the-ear matching PU leather ear pads. Which, when these headphones are placed upon our head, okay, I wouldn't say you get an awful lot of passive noise isolation, and I wouldn't say that they actually are firm and secure when they are pressed against our ears. So basically when moving around rapidly, if you was to shake your head like this, then they will shake right off your head. But one thing I will say though is that they are indeed comfortable for long use because of the weight of them. They are super light, weighing 308 grams. Now there is no ports or any type of microphones on this headset, so nope, there's no fuss and no nonsense when it comes to these headphones. And I guess hopefully they suit all types of audiophiles. So you know what, let's give them a blast. Okay, so it's been a few days testing these Majority Studio Ones out. First of all, when it comes to the audio, well, to be honest, I am somewhat surprised, as the treble wasn't as loud as I would like them to be. The midtones are clear, don't get me wrong, but they do sit rather forward, overpowering all the other tones. The bass, okay, it is kind of rugged. I do prefer smooth flowing bass. But don't get me wrong guys, when using these headphones on normal everyday devices, the sound isn't too bad, but it would be very beneficial to use these Studio Ones with actual DJ, amplifier or sound card equipment, just so that equipment can supply more power, better clarity and smoother bass. In that regard, I do think that these headphones are more suited towards budding DJs that want to experience better sound signatures. Now when it comes to the polarity, both drivers on the other hand were spot on. Nope, unfortunately it won't be suited to use these headphones on a PS5 or PS4 console. Again, there is no mic upon the headset or the wire. And with regards to that mentioned wire, because it's not detachable, if the wire ever goes faulty after a vast amount of use, it will also leave the headphones to be unusable too. For long use, the headphones were fine to use, my ears never felt hot or even sweaty, and with thanks to that extreme flexibility of that very lengthy audio cable, it did allow us a huge amount of manoeuvrability so we could simply dance about. Yeah. But overall, if I was to rate these Majority Studio One headphones out of our usual rating out of 10, then today, to be totally honest, we've simply got to give them a 7 out of 10. Now, if you want to check these Majority Studio One headphones for yourself, we have left a handy little link in the video description down below. Not only that, we have done a fair few reviews on Majority audio equipment in the past. We have also left those links in the video description, so take a quick look, take a little gander, and if you like what you see, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video. I very much appreciate it. Please subscribe to this channel just now, thank you very much. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, it's been very interesting reviewing this wired headset this week, but as usual guys, I hope you all have had a good Christmas, a very good New Year, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Peace!